Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Today I am doing a vlog and I'm gonna show you the day around mine. A lot of people have been asking me to do kind of a vlogs. This is not really a day in my life kind of, it's just going to be a normal usual vlog. And I have here Niharika.
Hi.
So yeah, we have few stuff to complete from our movie styling thing. She's basically assisting me for the movie called Procheva Review, which I am currently working on. So yep, we're gonna go. We need to get a kurta which is in Krishna Nagar. So we're gonna go there, we're gonna get that one and see what we're gonna do next. So you guys will come along with us in this trip. Let's go. To get some stuff from Krishna Nagar, and the roads are so bad near Forum Mall. So yeah, we're going to Krishna Nagar, and then from there we are going to get some stuff, and I have a movie at 1:30 and it's already 12 o'clock. I don't know how I'm gonna go, so we'll see you again. Until then, here's some good music. So we are at the Krishna Nagar now, and the person who was supposed to give us the stuff, he said it's going to take like 10-15 minutes, and she's hungry and I am too, so let's go get some, what is that? Egg puff from the bakery here. It's so good, you should definitely try from here. Speak. Let's get our food and then get lost. So we are eating some egg puff, and I was putting the maple mic over here, and then I figured out that I lost the filter, the pop filter, the smaller one. So yeah, I don't know if I'm going to get it like extra stuff. I don't know where to get it. So yeah. It's almost 1:15 and I'm stuck in the traffic. I have a movie at 1:30. I don't know if I'm going to. I think I'll be late. So let's see like how long will it take for me to just go. So yeah, bye. I'll see you guys after the movie. Hey there, I'm back. I just watched Aquaman. It was really good and I loved the way it was done. It's just wow. So after the movie I went to the Adobe home, which is in this mall itself, which is Parrot City Mall, and it's really nice compared to, like, I don't really want to compare to IKEA, but then these stuff are really elegant and classy, and the prices are quite high compared to this. They had the 70% inaugural offer, but then that was so much even with the offer going on. So yeah, I went there, and I also went to Miniso, which Miniso opened in here, and then I went there. And to be honest, Miniso was like super expensive here. I found a few scented candles which were like 630 rupees, 700, and whatever I touch, it was so expensive. Even I saw a few glasses which were priced 630 rupees. I was like, what? Sunglasses for 630 from Miniso? Okay, I never expected that. So I've been there. Now I'm heading back home. After I go home, I think I'll be doing few stuff, and I'll definitely update you after I go home. I got my tea here. Probably have my chai and get to see you guys. So I've like changed and I am now going to my dance class, which I haven't been going since almost like 2 weeks. So yeah, let's go and do some dancing. Just done with my dance class, and I'm gonna put the clip just now right here, so watch that and I'll reach home till then.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side.